Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum learners. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are exploring the power of sections and breaks in MS Word. By mastering these features, you can gain great control over the layout and formatting of your documents. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First of all, section number 1, Introduction to Sections and Breaks. What are sections? Sections and breaks are essential tools in MS Word that allow you to divide your document into parts and apply different formatting to each section. This is especially useful for long documents with varied layouts, such as books, reports, and brochures. And what are breaks? There are different types of breaks in MS Word: page breaks, column breaks, and section breaks. Today, we will focus on section breaks and how they can help you manage your document more effectively. Section 2, Inserting a Page Break. How to insert page breaks. Before we dive into section breaks, let's quickly look at how to insert a simple page break. Place your cursor where you want the new page to start. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click Page Break. This moves the content after the cursor to the next page, which is useful for starting new chapters or sections. Section 3, Inserting Section Breaks. How to insert section breaks and what are different section breaks. Now let's explore section breaks. Section breaks allow you to apply different formatting to different parts of a document, such as different headers, footers, page numbers, or page orientations. Place your cursor where you want to insert a section break. Go to the Layout tab, click Breaks. You will see several options: next page, continuous, even page, and odd page. Next page Next page starts a new section on the next page. And what is continuous? Continuous starts a new section on the same page. And what is even page? Even page starts a new section on the next even numbered page. And what is odd page? Odd page starts a new section on the next odd numbered page. Let's insert a next page section break. Section number 4, Formatting sections differently. Let's apply different formatting to each section. With our sections in place, we can now apply different formatting to each section. For example, we can have different headers and footers for each section. Double click the header area of the first section. Notice that it says header section 1. Now double click the header area of the second section. It says header section 2. To unlink the header from the previous section, click Link to Previous. Now you can have a unique header for this section. Section number 5, Changing page orientation in different sections. How to change page orientation? Another powerful use of sections is changing the page orientation. You might want one part of your document in portrait and another in landscape. Place your cursor in the section you want to change. Go to the Layout tab, click Orientation, and choose Landscape. Only the selected section changes to landscape while the rest of the document remains in portrait. Section number 6, using continuous section breaks. What are continuous section breaks? Continuous section breaks are useful for applying different formatting on the same page. For example, you can have a different number of columns within the same page. Place your cursor where you want the new section to start. Go to the Layout tab, click Breaks, and select Continuous. Now let's change the number of columns for this section. Go to the Layout tab, click Columns, and select the number of columns you want. Section number 7, Managing section breaks. How to manage section breaks? To manage and see all your section breaks, switch to Draft View. Go to the View tab and select Draft. Section breaks are now visible, making it easier to navigate and manage your document. You can easily delete a section break by placing your cursor before the break and pressing delete. Be careful as this will merge sections and adopt the formatting of the subsequent section. Okay students, let's wrap up our today's lecture on sections and breaks in MS Word. These tools give you greater control over your documents, layout and formatting, making your work look professional and organized. Practice these skills to become a master at document formatting. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.